With the Omicron variant spreading so fast, some people may wonder how soon they should get tested for a COVID-19 infection.
Sabrina Wilson has more on that, plus state efforts to get more rapid tests.
Another day, more long lines for COVID testing.
I was tested positive yesterday and I brought my son to get tested today.
How are you feeling?
It's just body ache, runny nose, coughing.
With this surge, I'm not sure we've ever seen lines this long or numbers this high in the past 2 years.
So when should you get tested if you think you contracted the virus? Dr. John Schieffelin is a Tulane pediatric infectious disease doctor who also works at Children's Hospital.
When should people get tested? Certainly if they have symptoms that are consistent with COVID, such as, any upper respiratory infection, cough, congestion, and fever. And then if they have been exposed to somebody who has been diagnosed with COVID-19 or is presumed to have COVID-19.
For people in certain environments, it's urgent.
For those people who are working in a healthcare setting or are perhaps working in somebody's home who may have a long-term medical condition that puts them at higher risk, if they've been exposed, those people should get tested right away and then get tested about 5 to 7 days later to make sure that they're still negative.
And given this latest wave of the virus, testing sites like the one behind me are a big help to people who can't access tests on their own.
There's actually more tests out there than there were a month ago. There's just markedly increased demand right now. We feel that in Louisiana, it's everywhere across the country right now. We're working as hard as we can to get more rapid antigen tests, both from the federal government and also on the private market.
Dr. Cantor adds there's no shortage of PCR COVID tests. Whatever test you use, if it shows positive, you need to inform those you've been around.
It really is your obligation to let other people know that you've been in close contact with, because they have, their own concerns about their health and the health of the people that they live with.
I'm Sabrina Wilson, Fox 8 Local First.
Dr. Schieffelin urges everyone who is not vaccinated to get the shots and those who are vaccinated to get boosted.